Hello guys, it is us King Robert Jameson here again with another vlog coming in today. So today I just got off of work today. It was kind of busy, but today the vlog is going to be about what I eat today. So today we're going to eat some chicken wings that my grandma made, nice and healthy. And then I'll also put the baker on because we'll be making pizza today. So that pizza will be looking good. I'm feeling about to show you this pizza right now. Hold on. You're gonna turn around for a little bit. Here's the pizza right here. That's what we're gonna be finna eat right now. That looks good. It does. Now my outfit is my work outfit. Period. So let's finna cook this right now. On game. Hey, hey. So right now, what we're finna do, we can put the little drumsticks into the microwave. So let's get started on this. I'm gonna wash my hands first. Always wash your hands. If you don't wash your hands, you get sick. Easy as that. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Oh, the water got me a little warm up in there. So if you wash your hands, I'll put that up in there. I'm being real honest. Alrighty, but just gonna let you know the pizza may take a little like 8 minutes or so. Yeah. So after that, I'm gonna go in. I'm also gonna get a plate. You know I like getting my chips. I like my chips. Some red Doritos. That's my favorite brand. Red Doritos. So what we finna do now? We'll get the chicken box. Chicken. So what I like to do, I like to get the best chicken. Don't worry, I'm getting like 4 of these. They're good. 1, 2, come on, 3, and 4. You got my 4? Alright, now I'm finna stick them into the microwave, like right now. Let's see. So I'm gonna put them in here. Let's see, so since it's 4, I'm gonna put maybe about 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes will be good enough. 385, so it's almost done for the pizza. So we're finna do that now in a little bit. And my favorite drink from H.e.b is sparkling water. I like the peach flavor sweet hint. It's really good. And my other favorite drink I like in the world is milk. I love me some milk. All right, chicken is ready. Cancel. And then open up your bags. You know, maybe I should do that. Watch out. I finna like eat over here somewhere. Where the light is at. But you know, yeah, it's been pretty chill today. I just got out of work. I didn't go to the party today. I didn't feel like it. After work, I didn't even feel like going. It's only like an hour to spend at the party, and because like it's not even worth it. But we cool. I'm cool for real. All right, for my next vlog video, it's probably gonna be like, let's see, about spending time with my dog, basically. So yeah, I'm gonna post this right now, today, the second vlog of my life, and then tomorrow I'm getting ready to shoot another vlog with me, just with my doggy, just with my dog. That's it. Yeah. Period. That drink is so good right now. Come on. 395. You know what? I'm gonna eat my chicken right now. Look how good that chicken look. My grandma made that. Look good. I'm gonna tear it in right now. Look at that. That is good. Real good. Mmm. Well, y'all gotta teach me how to make these. This is good. That is good. Got flavor to it. Got flavors. It got flavor, flavor, flavor. Flavor, flavor, flavors. I could like change the clothes today, but I didn't feel like it. Just eat my work outfit. 405 degrees. I'm gonna eat more chicken. Chicken is good for you. Tear off the wings. Mmm. That's good. Real good right now. Stay at 425. Alright. You're gonna see me put it in mighty crust cauliflower. So good. You gonna take that thing out of the package. Oh, I need to fix that. Look at that. Hold on. We're gonna have to fix that up. Ain't no cheese right there. Oh, we didn't even do good on this. You gotta put the whole cheese all around the pizza. Because I cook pizza at work. And I know how to do it. You're supposed to cover the whole pizza with the cheese. Not too much. It's enough to cook. A couple of these around. Alright. Don't ever put cardboard in there. Don't ever do that. So you're gonna put that piece in here. Look at it. Yeah. Just go put it in there. You hear a little sizzling. Don't worry, I'm not getting burnt. Put it in for about 8 to 9 minutes. 9 minutes start. Bam. So I got 9 minutes down on the clock. Period. So I'm gonna finish eating my thing. So, a. Hello guys. I finished with the pizza. So this is how I look now. Like that. I don't know. Mmm. I'm not gonna lie, this is good. Mm-hmm. The sauce is so good. The pizza is really good. You should get it. Yeah, I think you can get this from H.e.b or some sort like that. But yeah, it's really good. Well, thanks for watching me cook today, watching me eat, how I'll be talking. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share this content so everybody should enjoy the same content I make every day. So, and with that, don't forget, the next vlog will be about spending time with my doggy and stuff like that. See you later. Peace.